Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling your device Wi-Fi and scanning for networks. Do not wait to insert a SIM. Once done, choose a trusted SSID, your home router, a portable hotspot, or a public network you control. You should also prepare a VPN app and create a strong password. This protects traffic on open Wi-Fi. Make sure the hotspot has power and note any captive portal steps. Logging in is often the first actionable task to get online. Once you have Wi-Fi or a hotspot, consider USB tethering to avoid captive portals and improve stability. Plug the phone into your laptop, enable USB tethering in settings, and you're routed through the phone's dataless Wi-Fi. You can also create a secure phone hotspot with WPA2 and a strong password. Invite only devices you trust. If signal is weak, use a Wi-Fi extender or set your router to bridge mode to pull a distant network closer. This stabilizes throughput and reduces dropouts. Finish by verifying connectivity. Open a few websites, run a speed test, and stream a short clip to confirm latency and throughput. Use a VPN and prefer HTTPS pages for secure sessions. Also disable auto connect to unknown networks to prevent accidental joins. If something goes wrong, reboot the hotspot, phone, and laptop in that order. This clears routing and DNS cache. If issues persist, reset the hotspot profile or forget the SSID and re-authenticate. That one tip fixes most captive portal or IP assignment failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.